Hi guys, Larissa at Prodigal Pieces here. I am excited because spring is on its way, and what better way to start the celebration of spring and the changing from winter to the warmer temperatures, but also the beautiful blooms coming out, than right here on our table. It's a wonderful way to create ambiance in your home, to bring a joy in for the winter blahs. At least here where I'm at in Ohio, we get so excited when we see things peeking out from the snow. And there's no reason to go broke doing this either. Skip the box store and totally head to the thrift store. You can find things that you can either take as is even or recreate into something like I'm going to do today. To make my centerpiece, I picked out a few things that I thought would make a nice collection of arrangements. I've got these candlesticks that maybe aren't the color, the finish that I would like, so I'm going to be doing something with those. I found these 4 little pails, metal pails, going to use them in a different way. And then a friend actually gave this broken Melissa and Doug crate to me. The bottom's falling off. Melissa and Doug's a wooden toy company. I think this is perfect for making a centerpiece. So I'm going to replace the bottom and update it and do some things with it. And then I also have some vintage linens that I've scored over the years that when I go through and pick and I find the things that I like. So follow along. I've got some fun for you and can't wait to show you what it's going to look like in the end. Yay! there we have it. Nice, simple centerpiece. You could go as elaborate as you want. I like to add bits and baubles here even more sometimes, but really, I like to keep it simple. It makes it room to have your food, your dishes, your guests feel comfortable without knocking something over. You can see past it for the most part. So here you go, just a few things that I found at the thrift store, some vintage linens I've picked up over the years. Easy to change up with each season. You could even use this, after you use it as a centerpiece, to put some candles and corral your goodies. Maybe your condiments here in the bathroom as a caddy, or in your kitchen even, just to add some little color, add a little fun here and there. There's no limit really when you get your DIY imagination going. If you have questions, feel free to ask me down below here on YouTube or on my blog if you're viewing here. I invite you to subscribe to my blog, prodigalpieces.com. I send a free newsletter to you with everything in your inbox right come to you, with my latest tutorials and latest remodeling work we're doing, recipes and crafts, and even give you a free furniture buying guide and a discount to my shop. And subscribe here on my channel. I've got other videos already here for you, as well as more on the way. So I hope you had fun. What do you think? Fun? Would you do this? Maybe is it inspiring you? I'd love to hear your feedback. Leave me a comment below. Until next time, Larissa at Prodigal Pieces. Bye.